So this is day 4 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series I am solving 100 business question in SQL. So if you have not seen previous video, just go on my channel and watch that. In today's video you will learn how we use window functions, subqueries, joins, group by, order by during analysis in SQL. So let's learn and practice together, and let's start now. So guys, this is my PG admin here, and this is question number 4 of 100 business questions series in SQL. In this question, we have to find the top 2 revenue generating products in each region for quarter 1 2024. Okay, so firstly let me introduce you with the table that we have in this question. The first table that we have is region table. Okay, and I have inserted some value in that. The second table we have customers table. Then the third table we have the products table and the sales table. Okay, so total 4 tables we have for this question. So let me run this one by one and let me show you all the tables here. So this is sales table we have. In sales table we have around 6 columns here. The name is sales ID, customer ID, product ID, quantity, unit price and sale date. Okay, and let me run region table. Yeah, in regions table, as you can see, we have region ID and region name. Okay, now let's run the products table. Yeah, in products table also we have product ID and product name. Okay, and now the customers table. Let's run this query here. In customers table we have these 3 columns here, like customer ID, customer name and region ID. So without any delay, now let's start the question now. So the question that we have is to find top 2 revenue generating products in each region for quarter 1 2024. So now let's start the solution here. Right here, select, like we have to show the product. So let's take our product name, p dot product name. Then we have to show region. So let's take it as r dot region. Okay, and we have to show total revenue. So sum of unit price multiply by quantity. Let's give it a name, like we have, this is from sales table, so let's give it as total revenue. Okay, so give it a line for each column. This we are taking from product table. The first table we are going to take is the products table. Okay, now we are using join here. We are joining first the sales table. Okay, on basis of, like in sales table we have, let me show you that. So in sales table we have this product ID. So on the product ID we can join our products and sales. Okay, so let's take here as P and S. Okay, so let's take it as P dot product ID, okay, is equal to S dot product ID. Okay, now again use their join. Now we are going to connect customers. Okay, because we have customers ID. So sales dot S dot customer ID is equal to let's give it a name like C dot customer ID. So now again we use here join to join our region table. Regions table are on the basis of we have regions ID in customer table. So let's take our C dot region ID is equal to R dot region ID. Okay, now we are going to use where, because we want the total revenue on the base only for quarter 1 2024. So let's take a sale date between 2024-01/01 and 2024 March 31st. So this is quarter 1 for 2024. Okay, and let's group it by let's take here S dot. So now group it by region, R dot region and P dot product name. Okay, so let's run this query now. So we get this output here. As you can see, we get product name, region, and total revenue. Okay, so this is for the total data that we have, but we have to find the top 2 revenue generating products in each region. Okay, for that purpose we are going to use window function here. We are going to use rank window function. Okay, so let's use here rank over, like we want h per the region, so let's use here partition by r dot region, order by, we want h per the total revenue. Okay, so let's give it here total, not total revenue, let's give this total query here. Okay, in descending order, let's give it a name like revenue rank. So it will give a rank to our in this data as per their revenue and region. Okay, so revenue rank. Now let's run this query again. We get an error here, some unit price. Okay, order by. Okay, so let's run this query again. So we get this output here. Let me zoom it out. So as you can see, so this is rank as per the revenue and region. So now we are going to use sub queries here to find top 2 products as per the total revenue and region. So let's use here sub query, select product name, like we want to show the product name here. Okay, and region and total revenue. Okay, from, we want to show from this query here. So let's give it a bracket here and let's close it at here and give it a name like product revenue. Okay, now we will use where here, because you want only top 2 products, that's why we are giving a revenue rank should be less than equal to 2, and we will use order by region and sorry, not and, total revenue. Okay, so let's run this query here again and give it as descending order. Now let's run this query. So guys, this is the output for our query. Let me zoom it out. As we want the top 2 revenue generated product for each region, so we get this product name, region, and total revenue here. As you can see, this mouse and monitor is the top 2 revenue generated product in each region, and laptops and printers are in north region, laptop and monitor is in south region, and the laptop and printer is in west region. So these are the 2 top products according to the total revenue and region. Okay, so this is all about day 4 of 100 real business question series in SQL. Okay, so let's wrap this video here. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in description of this video. You can get all this data on my GitHub profile. If you want to know something about data analytics, SQL, you can just DM me personally on my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let's wrap up this video now. So I hope guys this video will really put an impact in your SQL learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend, and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.